Now, Chairman Powell emphasized that uncertainty remains the dominant theme for the economy, forcing the Fed to sit on the sideline. Now, the Fed's latest dot plot showing Fed officials projects about the last economy and the path of interest rates, showing Fed officials projected about the economy and the path of interest rates. It showed expectations of lower economic growth, higher unemployment, and higher inflation relative to their expectations in March. It also showed that the Fed officials are pretty divided right now on uncertainty. Right now, of the 19 participants in the Fed, 7 predict that rate cuts in 2025 are going to be 2 times. 2 precedented rate cuts when we should be having 3 or 4. Now, the median remains at 2 cuts, the same as it was in March. But if one person switches their vote, the median would have fallen to 1 rate cut, not 2 or 3. In short, don't expect any relief at the pump anytime soon when it comes to interest rates on your mortgages, which is very interesting to me considering everybody that I know right now is finding the cost of living to be decidedly unlivable. By the way, did you know that home prices dropped in 32 of 50 states in 2025? And that's the widest swath of declines in the United States housing experience over the past 2 years. Now, value contradictions occurred in Florida. They went down by 0.63%, Texas 0.41%, and California 0.56%. Now, these are monthly declines, so multiply them by 12 to get their annualized pace, and you'll understand, like, the numbers, they're actually really huge. Now, in some markets, home values are now declining at a rate that are more than 5% annually. Now, if these trends hold true going forward, we could see the entire United States housing market enter a contraction in the second half of 2025. Note that there are still some loan markets that are still appreciating, and they're in concentrated areas in the Northeast and the Midwest. Just look at this map right now and see the ones that are in the red. Now, did you know that the average real estate agent makes $86,000 per year? That's not bad for, kind of being pedestrian. Did you know the average real estate broker makes $99,000 a year? Also not too bad. The average loan officer, $60,000 to $87,000. Appraiser, $78,000 per year. Home inspector, $60,000 per year. So what's the moral to this part of the story? Well, it pretty much is simple. Don't be average. Don't be pedestrian. Be better than that and make a killing. I hope this helps. Man, oh man, are we changing the brokerage space. Right now, what we're doing at the Loan Factory is unprecedented in terms of pricing, turn times, and the quality of people that you get to work with. Just write loans, don't process. If you want to learn more, just click the banner down below.